Okay, this is a case I made, well, several years ago, 5, 6 years ago. The owner of it still likes it, still uses it, still has a phone that fits in it. It's got some signs of wear. All that's good, except the clip on the back. The clip on the back is starting to, he's bent it back into shape a couple times, it's straightened out, and it's just all out of whack, doesn't hold on his belt real well. So he wants me to replace the clip with a new one. Now the way I make these cases, it's lined so that this rivet doesn't go all the way through and can't scratch up the phone that goes inside of it. And that's going to complicate things a little bit, but I think I can do it without tearing up the interior and having to put a patch over it, which is of course an option. It all starts with just getting under this rivet and trying to get it out of here. A good pair of side cuts is the best way to do that. Now let's pop that under there. And we're able to pull our clip out. Now to put the new one in, I've got a hemostat here that I can use. I'll just put the new clip in place. And I should be able to work that rivet down and into place just like that. Then I'll need a leather block to spread the force out and a metal piece to go underneath and inside the case so that I can have something for the rivet setter to work against. And then of course just set the rivet. Now I'm probably going to put some glue in here to secure everything a little bit, but otherwise that's a quick and easy repair without damaging the inside of the case. Just a little trick.